how to block websites on Google Chrome. So what we will do is we will simply search for our Google Chrome Web Store, and after searching for Google Chrome Web Store, we'll reach at its official website. Then we can simply open it, and after opening it, here we can now search for block site. So here I'm searching for blog site here, and we can simply search for it. We'll get a lot of options here, so also simply choose the one which is in first. So we can click on it, and here we have to add to our Chrome. So after adding it to our Chrome, another page will be opened of this block site, and after opening it, it will take some time here. So here it is open, and you can simply add the website you want to block to this search area. Here I am adding facebook.com, so you can simply now block this facebook.com website. And yeah, that is how we can block website on Google Chrome.